welcome to our channel, AllasYummyFood. Milo is getting much heavier these days. So guys, today I have a special episode for you. It's a bonus episode. I want to share with you how to make this Russian pasta called Makaroni Po Flotski, and it's so delicious. I love it. Do you love it? Yeah, you do? By the way guys, did you know that pasta is not only made in Italy, good pasta is also made in Russia? I know, it's crazy. I didn't really know this myself. I know, I was surprised, but there is a factory in Russia that makes high quality pasta and it exports it abroad. I got this information on a YouTube channel called Made in Russia, where they show loads of other Russian producers, which is amazing. You guys should totally check them out. Yeah, so give them a like, subscribe to my channel, especially because you love watching my channel. It means so much to me. Give them a like, tell them you came from me, and yeah, the videos are very interesting, so I highly recommend. Now let's get into the cooking process. We're going to need salt and pepper, small pasta, any type, fresh parsley, beef, butter and onion. Place your beef into a medium saucepan. Place your meat into a food processor. Bring your water to the boil, add some salt. Chop your onion nice and fine. Add your pasta. Oh, look at this. Isn't this amazing? Look at that color. I like to fry them a bit more so they're not crunchy.